Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve unseen MCQ question in matrix. Let's do the problem. Here, A equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, C equal to 1101 and B equal to A into C into A transpose. Then A transpose into B power 2020 into A is. I want to find the answer for A transpose into B power 2020 into A. There are four options given. You want to select one option. First, I am going to transpose this A. I'm going to find A transpose equal to changing row into column. So cos theta sin theta. Then second row into second column minus sin theta cos theta. Multiply A transpose into A. My A transpose is this: cos theta minus sin theta cos theta into my A. A is given in the question: cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So multiply row by column method. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, minus sin theta into minus sin theta is plus sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Next, cos theta into sin theta, then minus sin theta into cos theta. It gives 0. Then sin theta into cos theta minus cos theta into sin theta, which also gives 0. Then sin into sin square, cos into cos plus cos square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta gives 1. Therefore, A transpose into A equal to I. Given B equal to A into C into A transpose. Now I am going to find the value of B square. B square is nothing but B into B. My B is A into C into A transpose. Multiply again with A into C into A transpose. By associative law, combine this A transpose into A. I will get A into C into A transpose into A into C into A transpose. Before we had derived A transpose into A is equal to I. So A C becomes I, that is identity matrix. C A transpose. My C into I is C. C into C is C square. A C square into A transpose. This is my B square. And my B cube. B cube is nothing but B square into B. My B square is A C square A transpose. My B is A C A transpose. A C square. My A transpose into A is I. C into A transpose. C square into C is C cube. So A C cube into A transpose. This is my B cube. Similarly, B power 2020 equal to A C power 2020 into A transpose. My B square is A C square A power T. B cube is equal to A C cube into A power T. B power 2020 is equal to A C power 2020 into A transpose. My question is to find the value of A power T, that is A transpose B power 2020 into A. Instead of b power 2020, I can write this value a power t, that is A transpose into a c power 2020 into A transpose. Instead of b power 2020, I had written the value into A. A transpose into A is nothing but I. Here A transpose into A is nothing but I into c power 2020 into I, which gives c power 2020. Now find c cube. My c cube is nothing but c square into c. My c square value is 1201 and my c is 1101. If you multiply, I will get 1301. So my c equal to 1101. C square is nothing but 1201. My c cube is equal to 1301. If we continue like this, my c power 2020 equal to 1 2020 0 1. See here, c power 1, here it is 1, c power 2, here it is 2, c power 3, it is 3. So c power 2020, it is 2020. My c power 2020 is this matrix. My a power t, that is A transpose b power 2020 into A, which I had simplified and bring it as to c power 2020. My c power 2020 is 1 2020 0 1. According to our options, option A is correct. I hope you understood the problem. If there is any queries, do comment in my comment box. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.